All right, this is the 1956 356A Sunroof car that we picked up down in Atlanta a few months ago. We bought this car from a gentleman. Him and his dad bought it in the mid to late 60s. And it got parked in '74 in his parents' garage. That's where it last sat. Had a 1974 license plate, 1974 registration on the windshield. Really a neat car. Numbers matching, all original panels and metal and lids and everything. Really the only rust in the car was just the front battery floor, which we just had replaced. Had the numbers matching engine rebuilt by our good friend Mike Cremonini. Had Brian here at the shop go through the brakes, fuel system, bunch of electrical. Our friend Billy at Rusty Bottom Garage, he did the carburetor work for us. Redid the throttle shafts, rebuilt them completely. And it's a really happy little car now. This car's sold. It's on its way to a big collector in Washington State. But before we send it off, we wanted to get a good video of it. So a unique feature of this car is the sunroof. And not just any sunroof, but it's an early A. It's a 56 build with beehive taillights. And you'll notice it's got the V-shaped sunroof from a pre-A. So according to Frank Jung's Reuter 356 book, the first 121 sunroof A's got the pre-A roof clip, because obviously Porsche was not in a position to waste parts and throw stuff away, so they used them. It's a pretty neat feature. The car has been repainted once. It was originally a silver car. A lot of cool patina, a lot of cool correct features. Do our best to show them to you. Got a lot of original interior here. Seat material, carpet, door panels, garnish moldings. Yeah, just a really cool car. I don't believe that red headliner is original, but people did crazy stuff back in the 60s and 70s of these cars. But yeah, really neat car. Love the steering wheel on the A's. Go ahead and show you the engine here. Yeah, the gentleman we got it from, his father was a pilot, so there's a bunch of Delta stickers all over the front and rear windshield. This car was sitting with another car. Well, it was in the garage. The other car was in the basement. We'll probably do a video on it. It was actually the very first 356A chassis, number 55001. This car is 57041. Everything original to the car on the motor except the air cleaners, obviously. We just cleaned stuff up, but we kind of left it looking a little patinaed like the outside of the car. Original wire harness, which is cool. Beehive taillights, which everybody loves. Not an original muffler. It is an Ernst muffler of some kind. Sounds good. Actually, you know what? Let me repop that and we'll fire this thing up. Let me start it first, actually. How about that? Bear with me. I'll try to do this. Juggle two things at once here. Actually, let me zoom out. There we go. Parking brake's on. Let me pull it out of gear. Okay. All right. No gas at all. We'll see if this thing will... Yep, it's on. Horn works. It's pretty cool. Well, let's repop that deck lid. There we go. Yeah, Mikey did a great job building this. Amazingly enough, the bearings are all standard. It's never been line bored, crank's never been turned. pretty cool stuff. Yeah, really nice, healthy motor. Sorry about all the shadows. I tried to take a video of this car about 4 times, and it either starts raining or something else happens to keep me from getting the video done. So, best conditions I've had so far yet here in front of our shop, our new shop, Niche Motors. We were in Brentwood, Tennessee for 10 years, moved out here to Bon Aqua, Tennessee off 840 earlier this year. So yeah, excited to be here. See if we can see this here. This yeah, the Goldie sunroof handle, super cool. It's just a quarter turn. It slides open and close. Neat stuff. This is the first video of ours that you're watching. Take a look at our channel. We've got other 356 videos, a lot of Volkswagen videos. If you know of any of these cars sitting around, and folks are wanting to get them back on the road, our shop specializes in that. We also buy cars too, of course. We bought this car and the 001 car from the gentleman, paid good money. We're not looking to steal anything from anybody. We're passionate about these. All the guys here work on these cars. We drive them. It's not just a job. It's our passion for sure. So, anyways, hope you enjoyed. Feel free to like and subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.